Squeeze it. Oh. Squeeze it, squeeze it. Wait, let's squeeze them at the same time. Okay. Let's put them back. So you have two. Okay, let's put them all in here after. Pink, like this. And the blue one. Now they're jiggling.